What it do, BANDRUNNERZC? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video, you guys. As you tell by the title, you guys, I'm on the monkey out. Woo! So I'm going there. Somebody y'all told me to go in there and call him little boy. You be like, what your broke ass doing, little boy? You know what I'm saying? Little boy. Little booty boy. You know what I'm saying? Still, your mama still changing your diaper, little boy. Not playing. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you're notified every time we post our freaking video. We on the road to 25 freaking K, you guys. So go ahead, let's run it up, you guys. Come on, BANDRUNNERZC Squad. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. So tell your friend and tell their friend to go hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, pause the video. Go ahead. Go ahead, just go. And go tell them. Just don't even worry about it. Take a pause for the calls. That's what I meant. Take a pause for the calls. Let's go ahead. And we're going to go on here and we're going to go ahead and do what we got to do. 25K, here we come. You know what I'm saying? 25K, here we come. Roll to 25K. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And y'all already know we're back with another freaking banger. Now feel. I lost my lollipop. Find my lollipop. Gotta have that lollipop, baby. Okay. But let's get into the video. Hey, what you doing with your broke ass? Do what? What you mean? Ain't nothing happened to my breast room, that's it.
God damn, they're fake. I know they fake. You can take them on, you bullshit.
These ain't fake, these mine.
Nah, you bullshit.
No, no cap. Hey, fake. He got me. Hey, what your broke ass doing?
Nothing.
What you doing, little boy?
Oh, nothing.
Huh?
I ain't a little boy.
Yeah, you is a little boy. Little boy. Little boy.
Alright, will my age say that I'm a little boy?
Yeah, little boy. What you doing, little boy?
I'm 20.
They don't mean nothing, you know what I'm saying?
Dang, for real?
I don't mean nothing, man. You still a little boy. Little boy.
Dang.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Little girl.
Little girl?
Yeah.
Who you talking to?
Nah, I'm playing with you.
No.
Yeah, I'm playing with you, for real.
Oh, okay. Well, let's not start a war. Let's not start a war. Ray J, RJ, whatever your name is, go away. I don't want to talk to you anymore. No. What your broke ass doing, little boy? He closed out. I think we lost him. What your broke ass doing, little boy?
I'm chilling, my nigga.
Huh? What?
I'm chilling.
You chilling?
Yeah.
Seem like you need something to do.
Bro, I don't eat nothing, bro. I don't order some food. I just bought some games. Like, I'm chilling. I'm having the best time of my life.
Ah, what, Ronnie? Living my best life. Hey, I'm living my best life too.
Where?
Yeah, I got a banana soak lollipop.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you looking at me like that?
No, I'm just checking out. No, I ain't looking out. No. Oh, okay. All right. Why look at that? I played too long. What's your broke ass doing, little boy?
I like your teeth.
I like yours too. What you doing with your broke ass? Huh?
Chilling.
Chilling. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Shoot, what's up? Damn, you at least gave me a warning. I'm leaving the building. What's your broke ass doing? What's your broke ass doing? Hanging up on my ass, that's what you doing.
Hi.
Hey, where you at? I can't see you.
I'm in the I'm on bed.
Oh, you in the dark?
Yeah.
Oh, you look dark. All I see is an eyeball and smile for me. And that's all I see. All I see is an eye and some teeth. Oh. Huh?
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from where you from? I feel like I'm talking to that cat off of Alice in the Wonderland.
Where are you from?
I'm from where you from?
Where do you live?
I live with you. You know.
Why not be your friend?
I can't be your friend. I can't even see you. I can't even see you. How we gonna be friends? What your broke ass doing? Huh?
Shit, what's your broke ass doing?
Shit, talking to your broke ass little boy. Broke ass little boy. What you doing?
Hey, shit, just sitting here chilling, broke as hell.
You right. You right. You right. Why you broke?
Shit, why you broke? You just lost your damn job.
That that's messed up, man. That's messed up. What? He just lost his job. That's hard. Y'all donate to my boy. Tell him y'all got him. Y'all got my boy, right? Y'all got him, right? Yeah, we're gonna start a fundraiser. Yeah, my boy trying to get some unemployment.
Hello?
What your broke ass doing, little boy?
Bro.
Yeah. What your broke ass doing, little boy?
Never broke, but I ain't doing nothing.
Huh? You is broke.
What?
You broke?
Nah.
Yeah. That's why that last girl left you alone.
No, I don't be fucking with girls for real, nigga.
Oh, I'm saying that one.
I date girls and shit, but they be tipping, you know what I'm saying? They try to hold around, I ain't on it.
Oh, but, yeah, leave it out, yeah. They be trying to finesse, you know what I'm saying? They trying to finesse, right?
What?
They be trying to finesse, right?
Some.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know what I'm saying? Leave them alone and, you know, do you.
Yeah.
Just become a hoe. You know what I'm saying?
No, I ain't gonna become no hoe shit, but...
Oh, well, don't you become that either. What you laughing at?
Cause you trying to agree with everything and shit. Like, I don't see that shit.
Oh, okay, yeah. What you...
Hey,
Huh?
hey, oh, shit.
What you laughing at?
You didn't even offer me none, you asked, I want some.
You ain't getting none of this? None of this for now. What you laughing at?
Alright, go ahead, bro. My bad.
Man, you tripping, dog. You tripping, dog, trying to give you relationship advice. I got men calling me 24/7. You know what I'm saying? They be trying to hit me up.
Yeah.
They want me, and I know you do too.
It depends.
I know you want me.
All I see is your face, you know what I'm saying? But it depends again.
I know you want me. A blind man can see that. A blind man can see that.
Bro, what? It depends, nigga. Now, if you got some ass, bro, I can see when we work.
No, the blind man can see that. I know you want me. Hey, what's your broke ass doing?
Bro.
Yeah. What's your broke ass doing, little boy? Huh?
Why you got no fake ass teeth in your mouth?
These teeth ain't fake. How am I eat chips with fake teeth? Be real.
Come on, man. Like, nigga know that's fake.
Nah, what you doing, broke ass? Little boy?
I just told you what I'm doing.
You didn't tell me nothing. Quit hollering before you get your ass in trouble. Right now. Don't do that. I'm gonna break it and play with you.
Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from Texas.
Oh. I'm from New Orleans. Come get me.
I can't come and get you.
Why?
Because I drive a donkey.
I don't care.
You didn't get no my donkey. You can break my donkey back. No.
Take them teeth out your mouth.
My donkey is a 1-seater, not a 2-seater.
Actually, you could fit 2 people on there.
You
It's
not.
like a horse.
You
It's
is
like-
not getting out my donkey.
How old you is?
Your age.
That's funny. I always see I want your order deal.
I'm your age then. I had to hang up on him because he got my nerve. What your broke ass doing, little boy?
What my broke ass doing?
What you doing, little boy? Yeah, what you doing with your broke ass?
What? I ain't doing that. I'm chilling, I'm vibing.
What's wrong with you?
Ain't no wrong with me.
Why you got them long nails?
Hmm?
Why your nails so long? We call them booger pickles where I'm from.
I mean, I can't take care of myself.
They call them booger pickles.
Nah.
You been, yeah. That's a little garden tool.
No.
Them tools.
No.
You pick boogers.
No.
Them booger pickles. Just say it's booger pickles.
I don't do, no.
I ain't gonna tell nobody.
Yo, no, for real. No, I don't.
Okay, I'll cap aside. I ain't gonna tell nobody.
I'm an honest ass nigga. I don't know.
If you don't pick boogers, okay, you don't pick boogers. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, I don't.
I pick mine.
Good, that's good.
Now,
Yeah.
I pick that booger in a minute.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm your age.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Yo.
See, you trying to get that booger now? I just caught you in slow-mo.
I did this. I did this. Don't do that. I did this.
You good. You good.
What you talking about?
How you almost got it, but you caught yourself and you did the knuckle instead of the finger. You said,
I always do this.
but you were almost there and then it curved.
You want me to do that? No, I'm not doing that.
Don't dig in your nose, friend. That's disgusting.
I didn't. I'm not doing that. No.
Don't you do that. That's disgusting. Don't dig in your nose.
I'm old enough. No, I'm not doing that. They ain't doing that. What you talking about? What that mean?
I see you.
What you mean you see me? How old are you?
I just told you I'm your age.
You don't know how old I am.
You 24.
I ain't 20. Hey, but
Duh, silly rabbit.
Bro, walking I look old. I'm not that. I'm not in my 20s.
You're not?
I'm not in my 20s.
Oh, how old are you then?
I'm 19.
Oh, well, happy birthday.
So you 24.
I guess so.
Wait, no, first, no, be honest, how old are you?
I guess I am.
Wait.
I guess I'm 24.
What do you, I won't ask this question, but what do you really want to say?
I don't know. Okay, you guys, it's gonna put an end to my freaking video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you stick around for the next one. And it's Band Runner Squad all day, every day. And I'm in, and now I'm out. Peace out, squad.